Welcome to the Shar and Joe Show.
We're continuing the creative portrait series, and this is the final episode of this season.
Oh wow. We did so many different ideas, I don't think I can remember them all.
I know, right? It was a good time, and for this episode, I actually have a surprise challenge planned for you.
Oh boy. Well, we better get this one started so I can figure out what Sharlene has in store for me.
All right.
We're set up for our first shot. We're here at the Rockwell station or near it, and we're gonna do a train shot. So when the cross guards come down, the train's gonna pass through, and I got my shutter speed set at 1/50 to get a little bit of a motion blur with the train passing by. So you can do this with a train, a bus, a car, any sort of moving vehicle.
Hurry
so
up.
You ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's get the shot.
For this shot, we are underneath a bridge. Most cities have some kind of underpass. You can find that in your city. The idea is for us to have some interesting framing between the columns. This bridge is really nice because it has a lot of chipping and paint that's kind of coming off, so that's gonna make for a really cool shot, I think.
Yep, so we're gonna get started right away. I'm gonna stand over here, and Charlene's gonna head over to the center column or arch and do a couple different poses.
Let's get going.
All right. Okay, Charlene's set up in the center column, so I'm just gonna have her play around with a few different poses, and I'm gonna take some shots. You ready to go?
Let's do it.
All right, that looks good. Yeah, that looks good. Yeah, try that again. Flip your dress and let go. All right, so we're just here on the sidewalk, and we found a taller building. Doesn't have to be a high-rise, but we're basically using the building as a backdrop, but we're gonna shoot it from a little bit lower perspective. So try not to get your model to do this. You want them to have their head up, or you could probably even have them cover their chin with their hand if you need to.
Yeah, we don't want any double chins or...
No triple chins, no quadruple chins.
All right, let's get this one going.
All right. Okay, I got Sharlene standing in the grass. Just gonna point the camera up so I get some of the high-rise building behind us. And I'm just gonna try to make sure she doesn't have a double chin.
All right. All right, so since it's the final episode, I wanted to do something a little bit different. And for this, we're going to be doing a challenge.
Oh boy.
So it's timed, and you're gonna have 90 seconds. I have my phone ready.
90 seconds, wow.
90 seconds to take only one shot. You only get one try.
Wow, that's tough for me.
To do a high fashion portrait or a creative portrait, either one. So high fashion or creative portrait, one shot with a drum roll. Insert that.
Train.
Fire hydrant.
All right.
Ready?
And a train.
Set. Go. You have
All
to
right.
set up my pose.
So I want you to put one foot up. Put one foot up on Yeah, on the lower part. Stay. Come over here.
Oh boy.
We're gonna try to get the train in this shot.
Okay. Like this?
We get. See how this
You get
is
one shot, and you only have a few seconds.
We get 90 seconds. Can you scoot closer so you're dressed?
You need me to smile. Just look away.
Need you to look away. All right, I took it. I took the shot. The train came a couple seconds before I was expecting, but I had
Let's see how much time we have.
more than 30 seconds.
30 seconds.
More than 30 seconds left. Should have tried to risk it and get a train in the shot. I don't know. But
We'll see what you got. I'm curious. Oh boy.
so, not the best, but
You got a shot.
I got a shot.
All right.
Should we let's do another one, not time, better pose.
Okay. It's a wrap.
That's a wrap for today's episode and for this season. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you don't pick on me too much for that photo I took of Sharlene on the fire hydrant.
Oh boy. I had to challenge you. I mean, we had to switch one of the shots up today.
Yeah, I think if I would have ignored the train, I probably would have got a better shot, but that's the way it goes.
Yep. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, turn on that notification bell so you know when our next season starts.
Yep, and we'll see you guys next time.
Bye.
So moral of the story is, even throughout this whole season, we haven't gotten that much better.
So good, I don't think.
Looks like your wardrobe
Having a
is
little
malfunctioning.
wardrobe malfunction. Even though life passes by like a moving train, it's okay to lose track of time, doing the things you love with the people you love, going off track for the right reasons.